Hi Charlotte, this is Jesse with Form and Finish Paintless Dent Repair, and today I'm going to be bringing you a huge smash on the tailgate on an Infiniti QX60 SUV. Today we're going to take this out with Paintless Dent Repair, and we're going to show you what high-level Paintless Dent Repair can do on minor collision damage to save your car thousands of dollars in depreciation value, because we're not going to be using any paint, we're not going to be using any putty, and we're going to get this thing back to the customer in less than a day, which is a fraction of the time that any car sent to a body shop would be done in. Check it out. What you're looking at here is damage that was covered by the chrome trim. Once I was able to remove the chrome trim and really assess what was going on, the body lines behind the attachment points were distorted pretty bad. In order for the chrome trim to sit flush, we're going to restore those body lines back to factory conditions. If those body lines aren't restored properly, the chrome trim will not fit properly and could leak, causing big problems. As you can see, the dent is removed. This is done completely with Paintless Dent Repair. No paint, no putty, and best of all, the customer is going to get their car back in a matter of hours instead of days at the body shop. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see here and you think you've got a dent that would be a great candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, please bring your car by the shop at 712 Morrow Avenue, just a few short minutes south of 485, or you can call me at 704-248-1236 if you have any questions. And you can always visit the website, formandfinish-pdr.com.